Yeah, I'll give it to her.
I need it like really, really bad. Your mood's good, your nails are good, my toes are good, my nails are good.
This shit is dripping through my pant leg onto my leg now.
I was like, our YouTube moment is over.
Stupid dickies.
You look pale.
I saw a ghost, that's why.
Make sure she's getting some.
I told you she's not getting any.
I don't want my pant leg on wet either.
I mean, you're already wet, dude.
Well, it doesn't mean I want to drip the
Hey,
whole
this
bottle.
is our YouTube moment. Make us millionaires. Come on.
Is she even getting it?
Yeah, now.
Oh, Dada likes the water.
Yes,
Dude, my pant is so wet.
Is it really that bad?
You'll have to
Dude, how
fix that
thirsty
part.
are you?
Keep going, keep
The
going.
other night, and we had like a long like.
That or she just likes drinking it from the bottle.
He's like,
I think so. Like saying it from a bottle.
He goes, I will never sign a girl like this. So the fact that he knows that he's enough, he needs to go through it. And I'm sorry.
Man, you're getting me
to
wet,
say it,
dog.
but like, I've been put through enough, like mentally and emotionally. I've been destroyed.